Good morning everyone from Milan. We are in our room right now getting ready. We're about to head to the Techno Monster factory and it's gonna be super exciting because I want to see where my bags are made. Also after that we will be visiting the Milan showroom and getting some ideas. Hopefully next year I will be putting up hopefully next year I'll be putting up my own showroom for Techno Monster in Manila, so definitely some exciting plans for next year. And we're right here. It's a little house. There's nothing here.
It doesn't look like a industrial warehouse where they make bags. Or it's just been demolished.
Wait, I think I need to reset
we
my
have
phone.
we have Waze issues.
It's a good size too. So we're here now in the Techno Monster factory. We're getting a tour. I can't film everything, but we are sharing bits that we can show.
Going to people's house and painting in the house.
Wow.
And is it just hand painted? Look at this bag.
Even you send your photo, for example, I like cat.
Nice textured leather
And then apply it.
with a wood inlay.
Like that? Oh really?
How beautiful is that? Pre-preg carbon fiber going into the mold. The titanium bag line. This is titanium inside, wrapped in leather.
So titanium skeleton, carbon parts.
Beautiful. So we just finished the factory tour and we're now headed to the showroom in Milan. Thank you to Carlos for the tour.
Thank you for coming.
Super awesome. Nice to be here and see where all the bags are made. And can't wait to order some more. So after a 40-minute drive, we are now in Milano. And before we head to the showroom, we're gonna go get some lunch because we are hungry. It's about 12:30 right now. Beautiful city, super tight roads. And if you ever come into the city, make sure you apply for the permit because there's a restriction when you're coming in here. Alright, so we just finished some lunch. Now we're headed to the showroom. Show us the way. So Federico let us use his friend's balcony and we got a beautiful view of the Duomo. So let me zoom to the Duomo or focus there. Look how many tourists there are today. And that was the factory of Techno Monster and the showroom. Now over here is my personal bags. This is my custom made Bank and Chronos. As you can see, it has my custom livery with my team logo and the race series that I'm active in. And lastly is my favorite one now. This is the challenge purse. This one was customized to me. We can do the same thing for you with your color, your livery, and your pattern.
Show the car!
And the cute print at the back.
Wait, close up on the car. Yeah!
And now we're off to our next adventure. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Bye!